In 2024, 29% of children in Wales were living in poverty. What is the impact of poverty on children and their families' day-to-day lives? Through the Children in Wales Annual Poverty Survey, we hear from children, young people, parents and professionals. Children and young people are worried about money and not having enough for food and heating. At school, they face bullying and feel unsafe in their community. They don't have enough money to visit family and friends. Parents frequently make sacrifices to ensure their children have the basic necessities. They skip meals and work longer hours, which leaves them feeling overwhelmed, guilty, and experiencing a sense of failure. Families are struggling. 55% of parents and carers say that childcare issues prevent them from working more hours. Professionals across Wales see families losing hope. 83% report that poverty has worsened over the last year. Costs are climbing, debt is piling up, and services are being cut, leaving families with the feeling of being trapped in a cycle from which there is no way out. 95% of parents feel that their financial situation is negatively impacting their mental health, leaving parents and children feeling worried, stressed, hopeless, and isolated. Despite available support, many families face barriers. Long waiting lists, stigma, funding cuts, and a lack of awareness and information about services can prevent parents from accessing all their entitled benefits and support. But there is hope. Initiatives like free school meals for primary school children are making a difference, providing nutrition and easing the financial burden on families. 85% of professionals are in favour of extending this to secondary schools, and we can all do more to help. Children and young people suggest lower school uniform costs, free transport, free school meals, and tackling bullying. And parents want more opportunities to develop new skills to further their careers, support services that are easier to access, and free activities to enjoy as a family. Sometimes, though, parents just need someone who can give them empathy and understanding. Every action counts. Whatever your role or background, we can all do something to help. Children in Wales and its members have a range of resources and services available to make a difference. Together, we can build a better Wales. Visit childreninwales.org.uk to learn how and get started.